What?
Too much grunt.
It didn't work.
Yeah. Let him get out of the way.
Hey.
Wait, Kane, wedge it against something, wedge it in there, look.
Still got too much grip. It's not even road legal anymore.
It was.
Yeah.
Since we started.
Oh, too much smoke.
Keep going.
Right, go now!
Holy shit. Keep going.
Okay, go again, I'll stand here.
Across the paddock now.
Bit of a smoking tyre.
Wow. Bit of radiator overflow. There was my radiator. Oh no.
I wanted to take it for a quick burn.
Oh, you should let me take it for a burn across the paddock with that tyre on.
I was trying to keep it on the edge.